Hello, welcome back to another episode of JKC TV.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What's up, Jubilee? I hope you're having a great day, and today we're going to be unboxing these headphones. They have a 30-foot range, they have a micro SD card reader, and they also are collapsible. As you can see on the back, they have a control panel on the headphones, so you don't have to go to your computer and unpause your video. You can just do it right from the headphones. So let's get unboxing. Okay, just have to remove this tape here. Okay. Okay, open it right up. Put this down. Whew. And they are Patriot styled. So you're able to show your team spirit while wearing these headphones. They're also supposed to be sound canceling. So these look really cool too. And it does have all the buttons that it says it does up on the end. And yeah, this actually looks really cool. And it can collapse. That's actually really cool. And it's a really good feature, because if you're like if you're moving around a lot, like if you have a job that has you move around a lot, but you still want really good quality headphones, just collapse these things and just put them in a bag, and they take up a lot less space, so you can fit a lot of other things. The wire looks really small, so it also won't take up space. It does have a manual, but I think I can leave this here. Here, and you can plug it in right here and use it as a USB. But if you have a headphone adapter, you can also plug it in that way through the audio jack. These are really cool. They show the Patriots logo, so when you're going around, you can show your team spirit. You can show everyone that you're rooting for the Patriots, even though Tom Brady had to leave. I don't know why. Was a good player, but he did what he did, and at least we have these headphones that we can use, and these are really good headphones. You can also adapt them using Bluetooth, which is really good. It says it has premium sound and voice clarity, easy button control, stylish and versatile ergonomic design, and hands-free calling, which is all correct. So I really liked these, and also made by the NFL. And it works with Androids, Apple's, Windows computers, Samsung Galaxies, and the Pixel iPhones. So these are really good. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.
Today, let's talk about queens and kings and the authority they have. This is the story of a man named Haman, a king named Xerxes, a man named Mordecai, and his beautiful cousin, who was an orphan. Her name was Esther, which means star. Esther was a Jewish girl who had been taken captive. After her parents died, she adopted a family member, Mordecai, who raised her as his own daughter. King Xerxes needed a new queen, and Esther was selected from many young women. She found favor in the eyes of everyone that saw her. Haman was a high-ranking official. He did not like the Jews. He particularly did not like Mordecai, so Haman decided to destroy all of his people, which were also Esther's people. The king was unaware that Esther was Jewish. What was Esther to do? She did not want her people to be destroyed. She was afraid if she asked the king to halt Haman's plan, she would die, and if she did not ask the king, her people would be destroyed, including her cousin Mordecai. Esther prayed. Her servants prayed. Mordecai prayed. The Jewish people prayed. Then Esther decided to go before the king. She was very brave and loved her people and God very much. She saved her people. Esther was very brave. What you don't know about this story is that Esther knew that anyone who approached the king without first being summoned was killed, unless the king was in the mood to extend his scepter and spare their life. This could have been the last thing she ever did. Esther risked her life for her people. Someone else gave their life for their people as well.
Yup, Jesus.
Whoa, you want us to risk our lives for other people?
No, not at all. Psalms chapter 45 verse 6 says, "You use your authority for justice." All I'm saying is use your authority to help others. Don't allow injustices to happen while you sit there and watch and let it happen. If Esther did not say anything, then all of her people would have been wiped out. Talk to adults about it who can do something. Speak to your school officials, pastors, mentors, and be the change you want to see in the future.
We are all God's people, and we are kings and queens. We have authority over the earth. Remember to focus on this scripture, Psalm 45, verse 6. You use your authority for justice.
See you next time, JKC TV.
Don't worry, our time together doesn't have to end so soon. You can continue watching service at home by clicking on our Kings and Queens playlist. We have more stories about Queen Esther, games, and some really cool songs. The link is in our description below.